today just to give you a little bit of an update on Stage 1 Akuna Vista in Schofields. Tom, can you give us a little bit of an update on when civil works will start?
Yeah, civil works are likely to start around mid-September this year for Stage 1, and they'll progress through to around February in 2019. Now that involves the construction of the roads and the services. What really excites me about this master plan community at Akuna Vista Schofields is seeing it all come to life. You're going to have recreational facilities, parks, a community centre, walking trails, bike paths, all within the close proximity to the train station.